Hey everybody, John here from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Today I want to show you how to do a simple checkup on your car, truck, or SUV. By keeping an eye on a few key areas, you can be safer on the road and protect the resale value of your vehicle. That resale value has a lot to do with the basic appearance of your vehicle, both inside and out. Keeping your car washed and waxed is a simple way to preserve your paint and keep your ride looking good. There's also a variety of interior cleaners and protectants to help keep dirt and dust from becoming stains and odors. While you're taking care of your vehicle's exterior, check your wiper blades. It's ideal to change them every 6 months or so, or if they appear to be cracked, split, or torn. If you've noticed any streaking or chattering while they're in use, it's definitely time for a new pair. Next, take a look at your tires. Check for any bulges, bald spots, or uneven wear. Use a tire pressure gauge to ensure they're holding the proper amount of air. Check the manufacturer's specifications for the ideal level of pressure. Lastly, check your tread. Here's an easy test that you can do with a penny. Slip the penny into the tread head first. If you can see Abe Lincoln's whole head, you need a new tire. Just make sure you look at all four. Under the hood, there are a few things to keep your eye on. Fluid levels are essential for the proper function and longevity of your vehicle. And in most cases, your brake fluid, coolant, engine oil, and power steering fluid are accessible and clearly marked. If you see that a level is lower than it should be, O'Reilly Auto Parts carries the oils and chemicals you need to top them off. Take a look at your belts and coolant hoses. A blown hose or a snapped belt could cause your engine to overheat and even leave you stranded. It's harder to see wear on belts and hoses in newer vehicles, so it's a good idea to replace them every 100,000 miles or so. Your vehicle's filters keep air, gas, and oil clean and flowing for peak efficiency. Check the manufacturer's specifications for your vehicle to see how often a change is recommended. Or if a filter looks like it's dirty and used up, it's a good idea to switch it out for a new one. Make sure you change your oil and oil filter at regular service intervals. Keeping them clean helps keep your engine clean, as well as preventing sludge and thermal breakdown. Spark plugs keep your engine operating at maximum efficiency, and their lifespan will vary depending on the materials they're made with. Plug wires are typically good for up to 60 to 70,000 miles. Replacing worn-out spark plugs and wires can bring some pep back to an engine that doesn't feel as energetic as it used to. Keep in mind also that if you ever see a check engine light on your dash, you need to look into that as soon as possible. Your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store can scan your fault codes on most vehicles 1996 and newer, and if necessary, recommend a professional technician in your area. Under your car, there are a few things to take a look at. It's a good idea to inspect your brake system. Look for any excessive rust or components like brake pads or shoes that are severely or unevenly worn. Also, check your shocks or struts for signs of physical damage like leaking, rusting, or dents. And speaking of leaks, any fluids you notice leaking from your vehicle are warning signs that could be pointing to larger problems. Get them checked out as soon as possible. Any replacement parts, chemicals, maintenance supplies, or tools that you need are available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or online at O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to see the latest DIY jobs, and we'll see you again soon.